Thanks to the sufficient market competition and the rapid upgrading of products, Laser TV is receiving better consumer reviews. In June 2020, the Consumer Electronics Survey Office of the China Electronics Chamber of Commerce released the China TV After-Sales Service and Consumer Satisfaction Survey Report 2020. They researched TV consumers over the past 3 years, and the results show that Laser TV has the highest recommendation rate at 70%, greatly exceeding the industry average of 54%. Today, we introduce the new Trichroma Laser TV product line and start the era of Trichroma laser in 2021. We designed a new RGB laser light source architecture. Different color lasers are separately packaged and finely controlled, which result in purer color performance. It's a high-class DLP solution featuring double area and micro mirrors of regular DMD. Trichroma can achieve 20% brightness enhancement at the pixel level, and its 430 nits picture brightness exceeds that of a regular TV. The new Trichroma Laser TV also comes equipped with a 100-inch Fresnel giant screen featuring an enhanced wide view angle that eliminates ambient light. Since Laser TV displays images by reflection, eye comfort is even 20% better than printed paper. It brings you closer to the screen, 12 feet or closer. It offers you an immersive feeling, so you feel like you are in a Hollywood blockbuster or deep ocean documentary.